Okay, a very good morning children. Welcome to online session of subject English of 7th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have talked about the unit 3 observation skills. Is it right children? So, in the next class, in the next live class, we shall discuss about the lesson. Okay, a reading part. Okay, so that a reading part is Puru the Brave. Okay, we shall know in detail about who is Puru and who is Alexander in that lesson. Okay, in the live class. Okay, so today we shall see a grammar part. So as we are discussing the grammar part, so in the grammar part we are seeing the articles. We are learning about the articles. So in the previous class, in the previous recording class, I have explained to you about the what are articles. So how many types of articles are there? Okay, like that we have seen. Okay, so in that if we see the articles means generally there are two types of articles. So one is definite article and another one is indefinite article. So in that we started the indefinite article. So in the indefinite articles, so what are indefinite articles means a and an. These two are called the indefinite articles. Okay, so here if we see next, so how many types of uses are there? So what are the uses of indefinite articles we have seen in the previous class. So today we shall see about the definite articles. We shall see about the definite articles. So in the previous class we have seen where the indefinite articles a and an are used. So a is used when and an is used when we have seen. So in the today's class we shall see where the definite articles are used and what are definite articles also we shall see. Okay, so definite articles. So in the definite articles there is only one word children, and that definite article is the. That definite article is the. Okay, so that definite article is the. Okay, so this is a definite article the. Okay, generally you will be using the definite article everywhere. Okay, this the you will be using at any place. Okay, so here this is about the definite article. So this definite article where we will be using we shall see in this today's class. Okay, so there are so many uses in in our daily life also. Okay, so the first use. So when this definite article the is used, so the first one is used before the names of a unique things. Before names of unique things. Okay, so unique here, unique means special. If you want, you can note down. Okay, so please maintain the running class children so that you can understand very easily everything. Okay, so are in the articles definite articles. So definite articles means the. So what is definite article? Definite article is the. Okay, only the is the definite article. So where this the is used means before names of unique things. Unique means special things. So if you want to, you note down this meaning also. Special things. So in the unique things, for the unique things, this definite article the is used. Okay. So what are these unique things means? For example, okay. Example, the sun. Okay. So here the is used. So sun is one of the special thing. Is it right? So only one star is there. So that is a sun. Okay, sun is a star. Okay, so in the stars, sun is also one of the star. Okay, so the sun. Okay, for sun we should use the. Okay, not only for the sun, for the moon, the planet. Okay, like that we can say the sky. Okay, like that we can say. So these are the examples: the sun, the moon, next the sky. Okay, next next is the earth. The earth, not only earth, the Jupiter, the Saturn, the Uranus, the Mars, the Venus. So like that, the Mercury, like that also you can say. So if you see the sentence means, for example, a sentence, okay, the earth is only one of the living planet. The earth is a living planet, like that we'll say. So that means here the is used before earth. So earth is a special thing. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. That is also one of the sentence. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Okay, like that we will say. Okay, these are the unique things, special things. Okay, so like this the is used. Okay, so next usage, and where in the next usage where this the is used means before a singular. If you want, you can note down. Okay, before a singular common noun. Before a singular common noun. Before a singular common noun, when it represents its class. It represents its class. Okay, so before a singular common noun, when it represents its class. So whenever it is representing any type of class. Okay, so here class means not your class. So class means here a group of a collection of a common things. So how you will say? So a class of 5th class, a class of 7th, a class of 6th. So that means in that class only 7th class students are there. Like that we will say. So a class of human beings. So that means earth is a class. Suppose earth is a class of living beings and non-living beings, like that. So living beings and non-living beings are the class. Okay, so like that will be. Okay, no other things will be there. Okay, so like this here before a class of any singular common noun. Suppose if we want to say, okay, for example, the cow is a useful animal. Is a useful animal. The cow is a useful animal. Here the cow is one of the useful animals. So for our Indians, the cow is for the Hindus, cow is a very one of the religious animal. Is it right? So we will pray to the we will do the worships to the cow. Is it right? So the cow is a useful animal. So cow will be giving milk. Cow will be giving it will eat grass. It will be it is one of the worshipped. Okay, one of the sacred animal we will be saying. So we will be doing puja to the cow. So that's why we will say the cow is a useful animal. So here see children. So before a singular common noun. So cow is a singular noun. That too common noun. So the cow is a useful animal means all the cows will be useful. Is it right? So I am saying the cow is a useful animal. Okay, whatever the cow is so the cow is a useful animal. Okay, so like that. Next the elephant is a large animal. So the lion is a ferocious animal. Like that also we will say. So the lion is a ferocious animal. Okay, that means here all the lions will be ferocious only. Ferocious means very dangerous, which will roar. Okay, the animal which will roar. Okay, so the lion is a ferocious animal. So here the lion, not one lion, all the lions will be ferocious only. That means danger only. So that means here instead of saying all the lions, I am saying the lion is a ferocious animal. That means here if I use the means here the class of all the lions will be coming. So here only the class of all the lions will be coming. Okay, not one lion or two lions. Okay, all the lions will be ferocious only. That's why simply I am saying the lion is a ferocious animal. Like that also we can say. So the dog is a faithful animal. All the dogs will be faithful only. Okay, so like that the dog, every dog will be faithful. Faithful means in Telugu we will call as a namakam. Okay, namakam kalge kukkalane antam. Okay, so that means the dog is a one of the faithful animal. Okay, which believes us, which will be more faith on us. Okay, so it will listen to its owner's words very respectfully. So like that we will be saying. So like that we will be discussing about the class. So like this the is used so before a singular common noun and it represents its class. Okay, so that these are the uses, and still some more uses are there. Okay, still what type of uses are there we shall see. The next use, third use. So the third use is before superlatives. Before superlatives and ordinals. Before superlatives and ordinals. So before superlatives and ordinals means here already you know what are superlatives. In your previous class also we have discussed about superlatives. So in the degrees of comparison we have seen, so the highest, the tallest, the biggest, the largest, the weightest, okay, the coolest. Okay, so these words, so coolest, cool, cooler, coolest, like this we have seen three forms in the adjectives. Okay, so cool, cooler, coolest. So in the third form, so the third form is superlative form. So coolest, next most beautiful, the most beautiful, most beautiful, the most beautiful, the coolest. So like this here also the is used, here also the is used. The coolest person in the world, the tallest person in the world, that means so ultimate person, so the final person. So above them no one will be there. Okay, so the coolest person, the first person of India is the president. Okay, like that. So above the president there won't be any another person. Okay, in our India. So like this, so the coolest, the most beautiful monument in India is Taj Mahal, like that we will be saying. Okay, so before the superlatives the is used. Okay, so like this we will be using. And next ordinals. And what are these ordinals means? See children, so ordinals means the first rank, the second rank, ranks. Okay, so whenever we are talking about this type of words, okay, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay, the second person, the third person is, okay, he got the fifth rank. Okay, if we say he got the fifth rank, the fifth rank, he got the fifth rank. Okay, like that we will be saying. So he got the fifth rank. So like this we will be saying. So he got the fifth rank, we will be saying. So here the is used. So fifth, in before fifth, second, third, 100th, so thousandth, so 99th person. Okay, 100th person, 89th person. Okay, third person, second person, fourth person, fifth person, sixth, seventh, eighth. So before these are the ordinals, children. So second, fifth, fourth, these are the ordinals. So before these ordinals the will be coming, okay, in the sentence. So like this the is used. Okay, next usage. So what is the next usage we shall see. Okay, so in next where we will be using means see before the adjectives, before adjectives when they represent a class of people, a class of people in the society. So So before the adjectives, when they represent a class of people. So whatever the type, whatever the class of people. Class means here a group or a race or a caste. Okay, like that we will be saying. So a group of the common people. Okay, in the society, a group of common people is known as a class of people. So before adjectives, when they represent a class of people. So for example, if you see the example, you will be understand. So for example, the rich should help the poor, okay. So like this we will be saying. So this is another example. So the rich should help the poor, okay. If you see this sentences, so the rich, the poor is it, okay. So the rich should help the poor. So the rich is a one of the class. Rich means all the rich people who are there in the society. So these people we will be calling. So this is one of the class. It is representing one of the class. So the rich, here rich is the adjective part. Okay, rich means it describes about the people. Rich people we will say. So what type of people? Rich people. Okay. So the rich people should help the poor. The rich people should help the poor. The rich should help the poor. Okay. Here again, no need to mention the rich people should help the poor people. Okay. The rich should help the poor. Okay. Like that we will be saying. Okay. So this type of words, in this type of words, the is used. Okay. And one more word is if you see your fifth unit. If you see the fifth unit A reading part, before the A reading there is one of the not a fifth, I think so, sixth unit. If you see the sixth unit observation skills part, there will be one of the quotation. Fortune favors the brave. Fortune favors the brave. Okay, at that place, the brave is also one of the brave is one of the adjective children. So the brave, okay, all the brave people it will be helping. Okay, like that we will be using the adjectives. Okay, so this is about the uses. Still some more uses are there. We shall see what are the some more other uses. Okay, so listen carefully, children. So no need to get confused. So everything will be very fine. Okay, see children. And next, where this the is used means before all the whatever the natural resources are there in our earth. Okay, in our earth, what are the natural resources means sea, oceans are there, mountains are there. Okay, next seas are there, rivers are there. Next, like this, plateaus are there, plains are there. Okay, next, deserts are there. Okay, and one more thing, valleys are there. Okay, so canals are there, and next waterfalls are there, and next the gulfs also are there. Okay, I think so. These are things you will be saying in the social. Is it right? So what are valleys? What are plateaus? What are plains? What are meadows? What are the rivers? What are seas? What are oceans? Like that we will be saying. So what are deserts? And next, what are the valleys? What are canals? What are waterfalls? So before all these words, the is used. Before all these words, the is used. Okay. So suppose if you say desert, we know that a desert is a Sahara desert. Okay, Sahara desert. Okay. So before Sahara desert, we will be using the. So which desert is the largest desert means the Sahara desert we will be saying. So that means here the is used. So before the desert. Next, before the canals, the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal. The Suez Canal. Okay, like this we will be using. Next, one more desert if you see means the Thar Desert. Thar Desert. The Thar Desert means it is situated in our India only. Is it right, children? So in the Rajasthan, whatever the Rajasthan desert is called a Thar Desert. Okay. So Sahara Desert is in Africa. Thar Desert is in India only, in the Rajasthan. Okay, in the state of Rajasthan, Thar desert is there. So like that, deserts, canals. Next, rivers. The Godavari river. The Godavari river. Godavari river. The Godavari river. So like this, here also the desert name da is used, and still where this da is used means see children. Next, valleys. Valleys, any valley, the Araku Valley, the Araku Valley, Araku Valley. Okay, so the Araku Valley is there. Okay, next, the Niagara Falls. Waterfalls means the Niagara Falls. Next, mountains. Names of mountains means the Alps mountains. Okay, the Himalaya mountains. Okay, I think so. You are writing. Okay, lakes. The Pulicat Lake, the Kolleru Lake. Okay, like that also we will be using the okay, before the words. Okay, I hope so you are understanding. Okay, next, so this type of uses will be there, and still what type of before when the is used means before the inventions, of any experiment. Okay, suppose the scientist or the mathematicians will be inventing some new things. Is it right, children? That means suppose Sir C.V. Raman invented what he invented? He invented the X-rays. Okay, so like that X-rays he has invented. So Sir C.V. Raman invented the X-rays. Like that we will be saying. Suppose Thomas Alva Edison is there. Okay, he invented the bulb. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. Okay, that means before the invention name. So whatever the thing they has invented, so before that word the is used. Suppose, see children, mark on before inventions. Okay, so before inventions means for example. So example, what we will say. So here see children, Marconi invented the radio. Marconi invented the radio. So who invented radio means Marconi invented the radio. So before the invention we are using the. Okay. So like this the whatever the is used. And next, Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. Okay, like that also we can say. Okay, suppose in mathematics means Pythagoras invented the Pythagoras theorem. Like that we will be saying. Okay, next, Pythagoras invented the algebra. So like that. So before the inventions we will be using the. Okay, so next, one more thing, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is one of our Indian mathematician. So Aryabhatta invented the zero. So zero was invented by Aryabhatta. Okay, so Aryabhatta invented the zero. Okay, so before the invention the is used. Okay, so like this the is used. And next, what are the next usages means before the scriptures. Before scriptures, classics. And next, before scriptures, classics and epics. Okay, so epics. So before scriptures, classics, epics means, I think so you know. So what are the epics means? Any holy books. Okay, whatever the holy books are there. So the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, the Bhagavad Gita. Next, the Quran, the Bible. So these are the holy books, children. So before that means these are the epics. So these are the epic. These are the scriptures. These are not epics. These are the scriptures. Okay. So the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible, scriptures, holy books. Scriptures means holy books. Okay. And next, epics means any type of stories. Epics means the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, Mahabharata, the Mahabharata, like this, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. So like this, the Bhagavata, like this we will be saying. So the Adi Grantha, okay, like this we will be saying. And next, classics means any old tradition books. So old tradition books means these only. Okay, Ramayana, Mahabharata, or Adi Grantha. Okay, like this. Any books are the books also we will be calling as a. We will be mentioning before the Paradise Lost, like that. Some books will be there. Okay. So this type of before this scriptures, classics, epics, the is used. Okay, I hope so you are understanding. And what still where we will use the means see children. And before the abbreviations, before the abbreviations, before the abbreviations of the countries, before the abbreviations of countries, we will be using the this the. Okay, so that means suppose USA is there. Okay, USA is also one of the country names. So a group of country names. So in the USA there are so many countries are there. So that means we will be calling the all the countries mixedly we will call as a USA. USA means United States of America. So the USA we will be saying. So the USA we will be saying. So next, or else the UK we will be saying. The UK, the USA, the USSR, the UAE. Also not only countries, but also before the organizations also we will be saying. So that for example, the WHO, the UNICEF, the UNESCO. So these are the organizations, international organizations are there. So these international organizations will help the world. Okay. So like that, by serving food or by serving any type of medicines or any type of kits. Okay, serving kits will be there. Okay, so like that these before these organizations and before countries, this the is used. Okay, next, and still where we will use means before the musical instruments, before musical instruments. Okay, musical instruments. Okay, that means particularly if we are talking about any type of word, any type of thing, then at that time the is used. Okay, overall if we say, so particularly if we are talking about any type of word, okay, so the book, like that we will be saying. So for example, okay, before the musical instruments means the sitar. Okay, the sitara. Next the guitar, the violin, the piano, the tabla. Okay, like that, and so on will be there. Okay, so before musical instruments. Next, still where we will use this the means before the names of, before the monuments, Okay, so monuments means all the types of very beautiful places, attractive places. Okay, like the Taj Mahal we will be saying. The Ellora Caves. Okay, the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Charminar. Okay, these are the examples. The White House, the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so these are the some of the examples of monuments. Okay, so the Salarjung Museum, So here in our Hyderabad there is one of the museum. Is it right? Salarjung Museum. So before museums, before any monuments, we will be using the. Okay, so the Salarjung Museum, the Charminar, the Qutub Minar, like that we will be using. Next, before the names of next where we will use means before the political party names. Okay, political parties names. Okay, so before the names of political parties we will be using the. Okay, so for example the Republican Party. Okay, the Republican Party. Okay, like this. So before the party names also also we will be using the. Okay, so like this there are some examples, children. So still there are so many. So historical events also, before the historical events, like the Quit India movement, the Swadeshi movement, okay, the non-cooperation movement, the civil obedience movement. So like this, the Panipat war, okay. So in the before the wars also we will be using. And next, before the names of newspaper magazines. Newspaper magazines means, so whatever the newspaper magazines, the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, the Times of India. If you see the newspaper names, okay, in English or okay, so the Andhra Jyoti, so the Namaste Telangana, so the Hindu, so like that we will be using. Okay, the Weekly Express, the Fortnight Express, like that we will be using. Okay, next, before the names of vessels and trains. So trains. So trains means any type of train names. Okay, the Shatabdi Express, the Godavari Express. Okay, the Narayanadri Express. Okay, train names will be there, no. So before that also we will be using. Next, vessel means a large ships. Okay, the Titanic, the Queen Elizabeth II, like that. Before the ships, the large ships. Okay, we will be calling that the. Okay, next, still where we will use means before the names of any classes or any races. Races means in Telugu we will call as a Jatulu, we will call. Okay, that means any type of races. That means, for example, the Aryan, okay, the Dravidians, Dravidians, okay, the Telugu, the Marathi, the Hindi, the English. Okay, so instead of saying the English people, we will be calling it the English. Okay, the English occupied at the time of during the British period, like that we will be saying. Okay, the British. Okay, like this, the race, the class names, common group names will be there. Okay, already we have discussed previously. Next, and still there are some more usages, children. One more usage is there. Okay, before the proper noun representing the whole family. Before the proper noun. So proper noun means a particular noun. Okay, suppose this is a marker, children. So what marker? So this is a black marker. So particularly I am saying this is the black marker. So like that, before the proper nouns representing the whole family. So whole family means the Nehrus. Suppose Nehru means Jawaharlal Nehru, we will be knowing. So in his family there are so many whatever the some children are there. Next, the upcoming children also are there. So the Nehrus, next the Tatas, the Gandhis. In the Gandhis also, Gandhi means Mahatma Gandhi. Not only Mahatma Gandhi, there are so many upcoming Gandhis also is there. So that means Sonia Gandhi. Next, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, after Mahatma Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. Okay, so Indira Gandhi. Okay, Priyanka Gandhi. Like that, these all these members belongs to the Gandhi family only. Okay, so that means they are the next upcoming members in the family. Okay, next generation of that family. Okay, so like that, like this, the is used. Okay, so I hope so you have understood where the is used. So this is about the uses of a definite article the. Okay, so like this, the is used. Okay, so I hope so you have understood. So please note down, children. So wherever it was using, and overall, if I want to say means this the is used before the any particular word, before any particular word. Suppose if we are discussing about any word, okay, about anything. Suppose for example, if I am discussing about any textbook, okay. So suppose I am talking about this marker. Okay, so if I want to talk about only particularly with this marker only, so first of all I will introduce this marker as this is the one of the black marker. This is one of the black marker, whiteboard marker, I will say. So the marker is used in so many ways. The marker is used in so many ways. Okay, we can write easily with the marker. Okay, so like that we will be saying. So after the time, so we will be using the marker. Okay, instead of saying this marker every time, so we will be saying the marker is used. So like how previously we have discussed the cow is a useful animal. So the same like that only we will be discussing about any particular word, thing or any particular object. Okay, so in our daily life. So like this the is used. So this is about the articles. So as a homework, so this is the class, right? So as a homework I want to give. So if you are having the textbooks means so in your textbook if you see the page number 30, that means unit 2 in the unit 2 grammar part. So in the unit 2 grammar part, so your homework, I am writing your homework. Okay, homework. So unit 2, in the unit 2 grammar part, in the grammar part what is it, third bit, yes, third bit, grammar part, third bit. So the third bit is about the fill in the blanks. So you should fill in the blanks with the help of definite articles and indefinite articles. So that means a, and the. So in the blanks only a, and the should be coming. A, and the should be coming. So in the blanks. So if you see the questions means there are some 10 questions are there. So before the word, so before the blank, so like this will be there. So blank it is there, and next Raman like this is there. Okay. Suppose if you are saying a blank means you should see this word. Okay, this word and this sound. Okay. So what type of sound it is coming and how it is sounding. So that one you should see, and uses of the also you should see. So before the inventions or before any type of things are there, so you should see that and you should fill in the blanks. Okay. So in the blanks only a, and the should be coming in the blanks. Okay. So I hope so you will be doing this homework very easily. If after completing this homework, you please post in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So and one more thing, you should do this bit in your textbook only with pen, with pencil, not with a pen. Okay, with pencil you do and you post in the WhatsApp. Okay, so that I will be checking your homework. Okay, so in the next class we shall discuss one more interesting topic. Okay, so till then be safe children, have a good day children. Thank you for attending my class children. Thank you.